Hello everyone. So to register, you need your Trust wallet to be ready. You need to fund it with POS DAI stable coin, and you need to fund again the Polygon Matic, right? So that's Matic is the fee, DAI is the fund that you will contribute or for this crowdfunding. So let me go straight to connecting. I've received the link. So once you receive link, you can use any browser. You can use Brave, download Brave from your Play Store, or you use your regular browser, Google. Please, you can still use your Google Chrome or anyone. So let's go for the Brave. So now I'm on the Brave. The first thing is to paste. This is the link I just received. That's the link. So once you paste it there, paste, then come down here and press go. So bring out your typing box and and press go. So it's asking to do what? Sign up. Wait for it. The system is taking its time, so you need patience. So tap sign up, connect. Tap this last one, connect wallet connect. Tap connect. This is where you have to specify your Trust wallet and tap always. Go for it. Now is going on the wallet, enter your PIN. Okay, see, it has identified the wallet. Do what? Tap connect. So it's between you and the network from here. If you check now, it's bringing me back to do what? Sign up. So continue to press the sign up. Okay, even if you didn't come, refresh the page. Because of the glitches in the system, it's been playing around. Sign up, refresh the page. It's good it's giving this problem so that you understand that these are what we are facing at the moment. So now we are here. It's asking me to approve for Metaforce to connect to my wallet. Said yes, approve it. Enter PIN, which is the PIN you set up. So the wallet is connecting. Allow it, wait for it, give it time, and it will connect. Good. It says successfully registers. Type OK. The registration is done. So that's how the front page is. The system recognizes the fee Matic available in the wallet. This is the available DAI ready for activation, and that's the wallet that we just connected to. So please take note here. Upline. What did he say? Your upline is in level 3. So once you know your upline level, if he's your friend, make sure you liaise with him. Tell him, okay, at least follow your upline. Follow your leader. Make sure you upgrade up to level 3. Don't jump, because if you upgrade it to level 4, 5, 6, that money is lost in the system. It's no more in the group. So be wary of that. So everything is okay. It's looking well. This is your link. Once you get here, this is link. Oh, sorry, that's not the link. That's the link here. You see where they say my link. Copy. Tap on this to copy and share with your friends. So that's your link. So let's go down to being active. Now, this is where to go. This is where you activate your levels. Classic. So tap review. these are all the levels that we talked about. We've been talking about in the Zoom. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So this is first level, LV1. So try always, if the thing is not giving you what you want to see, do what? Refresh the page. So the system is asking this account now, activate level 1. Tap on activate, tap on proceed. System is checking, asking for PIN to connect to the Trust wallet. Confirm that you are happy to continue. So this $5 worth of DAI is going to be taken from the wallet, straight from the Trust wallet. That's what the system is doing now. It's checking it, checking for fees, checking for all the connections. Once it's through, that level is activated. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's registration and activation for you. Allow the system to do its job. It's going to settle it. After a while, it will be connected, and that level is active. So for the next level, repeat the same process again. Tap on it, activate. As long as the balance is there, you continue to tap. Yeah, that's where we are here now after all the booting up. So if it's still booting, you keep refreshing it. You can see the first level is activated. So the second level again, remember your activation depends on your available balance. If you want to activate up to level 12, you need to fund it, or you wait as you receive from the community, you can increase. So I'm going to activate level 2 because more is still available. Again, enter PIN, whatever your PIN is. Confirm. So it's connecting to Trust Wallet. The rolling starts again. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. If this is taking too much time, refresh it. But allow at least up to a minute or two before you refresh. All right. So let's wait again for it to happen. It's still boosting. So remember, this is a system where 20,000 or more people are registering in an hour. So you need lots of patience. If it's not going, just keep refreshing. Wait for it. Sometimes you can refresh your page like 3-4 times before it will go through. Refresh. Once it comes back, tap on it again, approve it, connect it back to your wallet, approve it. See, this is done now because I've refreshed it. So don't just sit there and wait. After 1 or 2 minutes, refresh it. Here now, I'm on level 3. I want to activate level 3. Repeat the same process again. So if you see here, it's not taking the matic yet. Check your balance. If the balance is too low, increase it. So if I refresh it now and it didn't take the last one, so I need to have this account, have more funds in the account. All right, so that's all you need for registration and activation of your levels. That's all. That's what you keep doing. Top up and continue to do that. All right, so share your link. Motivate people with this video. Subscribe. This is the Boss Lady. Tap on the subscription button so that if I release another video of advice, you will receive it first. So like my video, share my video. Once you start receiving the history, check those who are doing what. You see the link as they contribute to you. So again, we are here to crowdfund each other. This is not an investment. You are joining a crypto crowd where we fund each other using Metaforce space. All right, so that's it. Thank you. Continue to watch my video and good luck to your business.